and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys great news. It is official that the Walgreens is bringing back their old systems. Back in October or November is when they did their changes, and I saw a lot of people are like, I'm never gonna shop at Walgreens again. And I'm like, yeah, that is a dumb move for them, but I knew it was going to be temporary because there's going to be so many people out there that really like using their point system. And a lot of you guys, you know, you do those surveys and they followed through. So I didn't want to make this video until I got for sure the answer that I wanted. I heard you guys say stuff like that. I knew it was coming, but I wanted to make sure I had it written in stone. I also had some of the stores tell me that the new system's coming back, but I was waiting until my husband got word because, you know, he works for the company. I just wanted to make sure. So he sent me an email yesterday that he got at work, and he wanted me to show you guys. So I got a little email, and I'm going to read it to you guys. But it says, new redemption tiers for balance rewards. So beginning May 5th, we're introducing 3 new balance rewards redemption levels. So it's still kind of the same way they're doing it now, and it's kind of going back to the old ways. But it says, so customers can redeem more points in a single transaction. In April, customers will be notified by email, receipt, website notifications, or in-store channels, such as signs near the registers. There will be 3 new redemption tiers for cash back. For active members, points will be redeemable for 10,000 points, which is $10, 20,000 points, which is $20, or 5,000 or 50,000 points for $50. Levels in a single purchase, where previously the maximum amount redeemable was 5,000 points, which was $5. The cap is now 50,000. So basically, they're limiting you guys. So now you can do $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5 the way it is right now. But then you guys also can do 10, 20, and 50. So they no longer have the 35 option anymore. So either do 10 or 50. And then you can only redeem up to $100 a day. So if you guys have, I've seen people, these groups that I'm in, I've seen people have thousands of Walgreens money, and I'm like, how do you guys, you know, they just keep racking it up and racking it up, which is fine. I kind of just keep rolling mine. I like to have at least about $150 at a time in my account. That's just the way I am, because you never know. But I've seen people have a couple $1,000s. So if you guys go and buy like, you know, $200-300 worth of stuff, you guys can only do a $50 one at a time. Or, yeah, so you can, the max you can do per transaction is 50,000 points. So that's $50. But you can make 2 transactions and do 2 50,000. You can only just do $100 a day, if I'm not trying to confuse you. So I think that's a good deal. I mean, I really like it. The $50 not, I don't know, very rare I ever redeemed $50 worth of points, but I am super excited about the $20 and the $10 one. I feel like $5 is just nothing. And yes, I did pay a little bit more out of pocket during the old system, or the system that's going on right now. But I don't know. I feel better. I hope you guys do. So it is starting May 5th, so you'll start seeing it. I know a lot of your stores might not have the right information, but if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I've been shopping with Walgreens for years. I know the reward system, so just want to give you guys a heads up. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. May 5th, you know, starting to actually start paying little out of pocket. So as long as you guys keep filling out those things, everything will be okay. But yeah, just wanted to share with you that. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and I'm excited. We got like a month left before the new system starts, so yes. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.